What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your WhatsApp so no one can read your private messages. And the best part is, you don't need to install any third-party app. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From here, go to Settings. Next, tap on Privacy. Scroll all the way down until you find App Lock. Tap on it, and then simply turn it on. Now it will ask you to confirm your fingerprint. Just place your finger on the sensor. Once that's done, you'll see a few options. You can choose when WhatsApp should lock automatically: immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. I recommend selecting immediately for maximum security. Now let's test it. Close WhatsApp and open it again. As you can see, it now asks for your fingerprint before opening. And that's it. Your WhatsApp is now fully secure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this.